This video shows you how to replace an ink cartridge in the HP Latex 300 printer series. There are two main reasons to replace an ink cartridge. Reason 1. The ink cartridge is very low and you want to replace it with a full cartridge while the printer is not printing, to ensure unattended printing. You can use the remaining ink in the removed cartridge at a more convenient time. Reason 2. The ink cartridge is empty or faulty and you must replace it to continue printing. In this case, it is important to quickly change the ink cartridge as the printed image may be marked in the area that remains under the curing module while the printer is waiting for the ink cartridge to be changed. On the printer's front panel, press the ink icon, then Replace Ink Cartridges button. This step must be performed only if you want to replace the ink cartridge when it is in very low ink status. The procedure to remove an ink cartridge must be initiated from the front panel. Do not remove an ink cartridge until the front panel prompts you. If you remove an ink cartridge incorrectly, the printer may subsequently reject the cartridge. Grip the blue tab in front of the cartridge that you want to remove. Pull the blue tab down and then pull it outwards towards you. Lift the cartridge out of its drawer. Avoid touching pins, leads and circuitry when handling ink cartridges because these elements are sensitive to electrostatic discharge, which can reduce the life expectancy of the device. The front panel display identifies the missing ink cartridge. Pick up the new ink cartridge and check that the coloured label above the empty slot in the printer matches the colour of the label on the cartridge. Shake the cartridge vigorously for about 15 seconds. Insert the ink cartridge into the cartridge drawer. Slide the drawer and the cartridge into the slot until they lock into position. The front panel display confirms that all cartridges have been correctly inserted. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube video channel.